po jako akawuwo
mukama wabeera mumpeeredde.
Ebikolwa eby'okwegatta bibadde bisusse nnyo mu bakyala ko n'abaana ab'obuwala n'okusingira ddala mu kiseera eggwanga we libeeredde ku muggalo ogw'ekirwadde ki COVID-19 ekyaviirako omuwendo gw'abaana ab'obuwala abafuna embuto ku myaka emito okweyongera.
Ne basigala baana bato abazadde mbakubira omulanga abaana wadde bafunye embuto mbasaba buli omu gy'ali omwana omuwala tumuzeeyo mu ssomero.
Embeera eno yeesitudde ababaka ba paalamenti okuva mu ggwanga erya Bungereza okukyalako kuno okusalira awamu amagezi n'abakulembeze ba kuno okusobola okumalawo embeera eno.
For us it's ahead of the Queen's Jubilee celebrations at the weekend, but as we don't have to be there, it is a pleasure to be here with all of you. And also on behalf of the delegation, can I pass on my sympathies for the recent passing of the late Honourable Jacob Aranya. We are very pleased to be here in Uganda. This is our first trip since the COVID pandemic, so we are very pleased to be able to come here and understand more about the issues and the opportunities here in Uganda.
Bano abadde bakulembeddwamu Baroness Sag bwe babadde basinkanya amyuka sipiika wa paalamenti Right Honourable Thomas Tayebwa basuubizza okukolera awamu ne gavumenti ya Uganda okulwanyisa embeera eno mu bakyala ssaako abaana ab'obuwala abazaalira ku myaka emito.
We are looking forward to meeting with people and to visiting locations to understand more about the work that you do. And Dr. Charles, thank you for setting out so clearly the priorities and the position of health in Uganda. That's very helpful. This APPG, we are particularly proud of our work on sexual and reproductive health and rights. And the UK works in close partnership with Uganda, and our relationship is a close one. We hope to deepen that further.
Amyuka sipiika wa paalamenti Right Honourable Thomas Tayebwa ategeezezza nti ekisinza okuvaako embeteza bwe bwavu mu Uganda era nga gavumenti kati eri ku kaweefube ow'okubulwanyisa ssaako okutema empenda okulaba nga bakugira abaana ab'obuwala okufuna embuto ku myaka emito ate okusinga okujjanjaba abo ababeera bazifunye.
All these issues of reproductive health and early childhood pregnancies and gender-based violence, female gender mutilation, poverty is the biggest driver. Poverty is the biggest driver. I just came from my constituency last week and I was talking to my people. Someone might not be having the food to eat because he only works for the stomach, but he has money for alcohol, and then after getting drunk, the next thing is to reach home, demand for food when he has not left any money to buy food at home. And the end result, I have a wife who can't cook for me. I have a wife who can't. So they start fighting and all that. And then the children run away from schools and all that and homes.
Mu nsisinkano y'emu ne ssentebe w'akakiiko ka paalamenti akavunaanyizibwa ku by'ebyobulamu Honourable Charles Ayume mwayanjulidde abakungu bano enteekateeka empya gavumenti ya Uganda z'erina okufutiza ekizibu kino.
Issues like national health insurance could be a plus. It may not solve all our challenges, but I think it could add to the resource envelope of the country, and in so there would have the necessary policies and services in the national health insurance scheme. We're also looking at support to the private sector. The private sector, like I said, plays a very important role. Unfortunately, Right Honourable Speaker, the costs of setting up a private practice in the health sector are astronomical. If you're looking at buying ultrasound machines, laboratory equipment and so forth.
Disara Nandaula, kula ABS TV, Jaka Kawuwo.
Asobola okufa. Awo nabendeze nga tebasuka.